So I got a couple of watches here. There's 5 watches that were given away. So we'll add 5 watches to the carousel ad. And let me pull one more because I couldn't find the white one a while ago. And I'm gonna do it. You can do it on Photoshop or whatever kind of software you have to do stuff. I'm gonna use Ad Factory for it because it's super easy, and that way you can show you how to do that. It's Teespring's deal, and it's free. So watch this. You just go to Ad Factory. I think I showed you this the other day. Ad Factory. So watch how cool. So you just go to custom images. You're going to upload an image. I'm going to do these 5 images. See, there's 2. Black one. And did they already come on here? There's a black one. I don't know why. Let's take those away. I don't need those right now. The brown one I don't have. All right, cool. So then we're just gonna go, upload it. Go to custom images. Let's take these away. That way we don't get confused. The background. So the background is going to be white, and then so I don't need a background, but I do need a border. And then we'll just do. Let's pick. I like that one, so we'll just choose that one, and then we're going to choose the size. So we're going to do. It's a PPE ad, so we're going to do 600 by 600. The border looks kind of funky, but it's all good. It doesn't really matter. Right, and then you just go back to your images and you just pick one. Boom. And then now, just gonna scale it down a little bit. And then you just say create ad, and you go to next image. Trash. Custom images. Red one. Right? It takes a second. Next one. Trash. So as you can see, I mean, this is so easy and quick. If it had transparent background, it'd be easier, but it doesn't. So it's all good. Create ad. Delete. Custom image. So we did. I don't think we did black. Need black and brown, alright? Alright, and get bigger. And let's create ad. And then, so we got white, red, pink, twice, and black. Let's go. And we didn't do brown, so we did brown. Alright, create that. Alright, cool. So I'm going to take these ones, throw them in the trash, and just drag these over here. Black and red. Alright, so you modified your images, and of course you don't have to, but I just like the red border, right? So we'll go to our page, and then we'll just do the ad. We'll just do some copy like, let's see, grab some stars, make it pop.
Give me 1 second.
Let's see, I don't know, let's just say,
Give me 1 whole second.
we're giving away to the first people that 3.
You got it, strap.
And comment. Yes, below. I'll just do this. I'll make this another step. Like and share. Post. 2. Comment yes below that you want one. Step 3. Go here. And then they're going to go to that link, right? So the link is, whenever they click on that link, they're going to be put into an audience. And to do that, you can't just throw up a link. You have to create a link with a pixel, or if it's going to a page with a pixel, which I'm not sending them to a page, but if you're sending them to a capture page or whatever page first, then it's easy to put the pixel on there. Like on Shopify, it's not. So what I have to do is I have to go in there and create through WordPress, which is EliteCustomThreads.com WordPress, right? And you go in there and it's a tool called TrexTrack. And what I do is basically I just build a link, which we're going to do now. So you need 2 things. You need the URL that you're going to run to, which is going to be this Mickey watch. The ADA. No, it's not. It's not going to be this one. I'm sorry. It's going to be, oh, it's just there too. Mickey Mouse watch. How much is this one? Let's do another one. Let's just call this giveaway Mickey Mouse watch. So I'll just duplicate, and we'll make it free. And we'll make them pay shipping. Wait. Alright, cool. Alright, so run them to this page. I'll do view, so I gotta get this URL. So I need that URL. And then you go to TrexTrack, and we're gonna do add new. And I put target URL here. And then I need a Facebook pixel, which is basically the custom audience pixel. We're going to go create an audience for it. And we're going to name it Mickey Watch Giveaway. So before I publish it, I have to go back to Facebook. And I'm in a different browser. So yeah. All right. So I'll go to ads. And then you're going to go to your tools, where right here in the top right, where it says audiences. But we're going to make sure we're on the right account because this is the wrong one. There we go. So I'm in my business manager. I can tell by this up here. So it's Elite Custom Threads LLC. So you go to tools, audiences. And you go to create audience, custom audience, and website traffic. Okay? And it says create a custom audience for your website. Show ads to people who visit your website. You can set up your audience to include everyone who visits your website, or create separate audiences for people who visit specific pages on your website. All right? So we want them to visit a specific page. And install a pixel on your website and start building an audience automatically. You can also send this code to your person who manages your website, which is me. So I'll just agree to those terms. You need to create audience. So I'm not going to read that again, but you can read it if you want. So then we'll go. So this is my pixel. This is like the main Facebook pixel. But within that pixel, we're creating another pixel. So it's like a sub pixel of this. So we want to say anyone who visits a website. We're going to say no, people who visit specific web pages. So I could just type in what I just called this one, which was Mickey Watch Giveaway, because I do not have a URL for it yet, correct? Because I didn't make one. I'm about to make one. So I'll just type in this, because whenever that I create it, the end of that URL, which is a part of that URL, because it says people who visit a specific web page, it can just be part of it, or you can go back in and then add it again in a second. I usually do 180 days, but it doesn't matter. You can only go up to 180 days, so I'll just do 180. Include past website traffic. I mean, it's not going to have any, so I don't really think that matters, but I always uncheck it because I don't want like myself included if I went to it or whatever before. I don't know. And then we'll just call it Mickey Watch Giveaway. So, and then just hit create audience, and you just hit OK. So then you just go up here and you see how it created this audience here. And whenever there's at least a minimum of 20 people, it'll turn green, and then you can start running traffic to it. Does that make sense? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we need the pixel code. So just check mark that Mickey Mouse Watch Giveaway, actions, view pixel, and then you just copy this pixel at the top. Control A, Control C on a Mac, and then you just hit done. And then you just go back into here and then you paste it where it's asking here. So now you're done with this. You just hit publish for the track code. Or, if you need that code, if it was going to be like a lead page or, a page on your website, which is a specific page, which you can do, but I don't know how to do it. So we're just doing it this way. So we just do view text track and this code up top. Right here is the code, so it does work. It goes there. So let's go back, and then if you just go back into text track, it'll show all the text tracks right here. And so this is the URL that you want, which I already copied it. So that's the one that you want to run to on Facebook, which is on the Facebook page that we were on, typing all that info on, which I can't find anymore, as I must have deleted it. Crap. All right, whatever. We'll just do it again. I didn't know I deleted that one. I didn't know I typed over that page, rather. All right, so we'll just say, so I'm gonna go ahead and just paste that. I did not want to do that. Where's that text track at? All right. All right, and then we can, so that's the link we want to run them to. And let's just see if it works. I think it did. All right, so it worked and it was fast, so. And I need to put on here, like, I want them to know on this page that they're going to pay for shipping. All right, so we'll go back and do that in a minute. So we'll just set this up, and whatever the copy that we wrote earlier was. Would have been faster if I didn't type over the page. Wait. 25. Clean. Watch. Let's see. Yeah. You claim it. How to qualify. 3 go here, which is this. All right, and then we want a picture. So instead of hitting this, I think we do here, and I think it allows you to do a carousel ad now from this one. Oh shit, you know what, Jess? Let me copy this. I gotta be in the business manager, not myself. Let's see. No big deal though. Watch, just do it again. Boom. Okay, so now it should let me do a carousel ad. All right, so create a photo carousel, create a photo album, build an album of multiple photos. We're gonna do a create a photo carousel. Oh, this is weird. Photos are taken from a website you choose. Enter our website to build your photo carousel. That's weird. See, shit's changing like every minute. Well, that's cool. It's not going to pick up the. It's not going to pick up these ones. The ones with the red border. Let's see if it messes it up. Like the destination URL, which it may. Didn't do anything, huh? Yeah, from the thing. Let's see. Upload photos. Add photos or videos to your status. But it's the same thing, I think, if they do a carousel like this. You see what I'm saying? This is how I thought you did it anyway. The carousel is like, put a link in and it's supposed to upload the picture, but it didn't. So it must be, I've never seen that before, except for this morning I saw it, but I didn't do the carousel. Let's see what happens here if I just do publish and see how it comes out. See, that's not really a carousel ad. That's like a PPE post, which is cool. I kind of like it, right? But it's not really. Oh, because they always throw in your logo at the end. Yeah. Let's see this again. Let me see a carousel ad. And then let me get the. See, I have to use this one because it won't pick it up from the WordPress redirect because it's a redirect. It doesn't come up. It doesn't have any pictures in it. Photos are taken from a website you choose. Enter a website to build your photo carousel. There it goes. It worked that time. Sweet. Okay, I like that. Except for I wanted them. It doesn't matter. I wanted them with the border, but it's okay. You know what? We'll do both and see and test. It's all good. All right, so you got your PPE on there, and then it didn't even it didn't pick up this. You see this? It didn't hyperlink this, which means if they click on this watch right here, it's going to go to the website and not put them into the redirect or the custom audience, because it's going to go right to the edit this. Oh yeah, you can do it. Okay, look, you can do it. Watch this crap. Edit destination URL. See that? Right. Pick the. I'll just say which I kind of like better, because you don't have like a link in there. It doesn't look so like salesy with the link. All right, so we can do it. That's cool. I kind of like this. Shit, I'm learning something too. All right. and then we'll just take that out. Step 3, click the one you want. Click the watch you want. Publish. Perfect. So we'll run them to that one. Cool. All right, so let's go to our ads. Let me just show you kind of how I start off, like picking out our audience and stuff. So I go to Audience Insights, and I'm just trying to get some information from Facebook about like Mickey Mouse stuff. Mickey Mouse. All right, so I'll just type in a broad category. Yeah, it's got 3.5 million people. The page likes is the one I'm going to come back to. I'm looking for affinity. See how it's kind of low and stuff. So because it's too broad, so I'll pick like, you know, like the Disney store or something that I know people buy from. Let's see. You know, I mean, I'm just guessing. I don't know. Disney store. If I can spell store. All right, so usually the affinity, I like it like over like 15 or 20. So if there's nothing else in there that's connected to that, even though the Disney store is kind of good, I think it's got 900,000 people. Walter Elias, Disney, Main Street Mouse, Scholastic Parents, Disney Dining, Disney. I mean, golly, there's so many to choose from. Let's see. Let's pick another one. Disney. Let's do Walt Disney. Let's do Mickey Mouse. I didn't want to do that. Yeah, these are not good ones. The Main Street Mouse. Let's see what that is. You know what that is? It looks like. Yeah. So it might be a good one. Let's see. Main Street Mouse. Yeah. So, but I can't find it for some reason. Mickey Mouse. Yeah, Main Street Mouse. Sometimes they're not in here. But sometimes they're not in here, which is weird because sometimes you can still find them on targeting. Main Street Mouse. See, I found it. Main Street Mouse, which is a good one. See how it's real high, and they have a bunch of other ones are under here. So we got Disney Fanatic, which is really low, but it's still probably a good one. So we'll do Disney Fanatic, and I'll just copy these and put them into a Disney Fanatic. Got Disney D3, and if I don't know what it is, like normally like all our NFL stuff, I know all the niches and Disney Parks blog. Like if they're on the blog and reading stuff, and they probably like Disney stuff. Inside the Magic, I don't know what that is. Let's see what it is. Entertainment website. Okay, cool. That's a good one. They get 475,000 people. That's probably a good one. So just find 5 good ones. Walt Disney World for grown-ups. Cool. Like it. WDF for grownups.com. WDF for grownups. Alright, so we got 5 good ones, I think. And then, of course, you know, the Main Street Mouse. The first one. Alright, so we'll just go to ads and we'll just create a new one. So we'll do five audiences. So I always separate them, especially at the beginning of a new niche or anything. Right? So we're doing a giveaway. It's not like we're selling really anything at first. And then what we're going to do is going to go back in after we set everything up and get the ad going, and then connect the upsell to the watch, which is the cup, right? Which is like the main thing. So create campaign. We're going to do a PPE boosted post, which is what we normally do, page post engagement. And then delete custom threads. We're going to choose a new pixel. I believe it was this one. I don't know why it didn't ask me for a pixel yet. Oh, I know why. Idiot. It does it on the inside of it. The website conversions does it when you first create the ad, so it's different. All right, so I forgot to look at was the age group, but it doesn't matter. So we're gonna do 25 through 45, and then we're gonna do our interest, which are here. Okay, so we'll go with the Main Street mouse didn't come up, so just type in Main Street mouse, see if it comes up. News media website, that's it. 323,000 people, got 120,000. What is that? Okay, thanks. Awesome. Look at Disney Fanatic right here. See that? And you know the difference between like the uppercase letters and the lowercase letters? Okay, so you see how it has an uppercase letter here and an uppercase letter here, and this one has a lowercase letter. So that means it's a broad audience, and this means it's more. It's not made up of a bunch of broad people, even though it doesn't matter what this number says. It's telling you that this is a broad audience, and this is more specific. Okay, thank you, buddy. Can you put it on the side for me? Thank you. So I didn't know that for the longest time either. But as I'm going through, these are suggestions that Facebook's telling me right here. Which you probably know some of this. But you see all these. Let me find one. You see how it's like a broad audience, but there's nobody in it. So I think that's just saying like they started doing that site, or that page, but they never built it out. I believe. I don't know. It also means if somebody's like typing in, like somebody types in Epcot or Horizons, they're put into that broad audience. But these people are made up of specific people that like that page. But if they say I'm a Disney fanatic, they could be thrown in there. But since it's not broad, then they may have not been thrown in there. So you want those people that are not thrown in there. So you want lowercase stuff first. So they got a bunch of cool little audiences in here, but we're going to stick to the plan. We're going to choose a 5, even though I want to choose other ones. So we'll do, we'll just start off at all of them at $5 a day. 120,000 people, they're all women because we know they like free stuff and they like Mickey stuff. And then here you get to choose the, I'm not going to worry about URL tags, but we are going to name it. We're going to name it women, mobile, and then we're going to name it, was it Main Street mouse. And I like to keep them lowercase if I remember. And you can also just copy this and paste it in there. And then, so I know which audience that is, and I know that it's for Mickey Watch. And then I'll just do mobile, remove desktop, and that's what it looks like. And we're going to choose a conversion, and we're going to do David Weber's pixel. Because down here, it just lets you choose. Like this is the one at the top was the main pixel that we used to use. All right, why did I do that? Okay, so we'll just do David Webber pixel. So 20255, which is my new one. And then we'll do place order, and then we'll just do the other 4 audiences. Place order. You come up top, create similar ad. We're using the same page post, right? Giveaway. Okay, make sure it's the right one. And then we're gonna. I don't know why it doesn't say up here to choose a new ad set, but you're supposed to change the ad set because I don't want it to run through the same ad set. Why is it not asking me that anymore? That's odd. I don't know, but we're going to change this. We're going to call this Disney Fanatic. Look at Disney fans up there too. Alright, let's stick to plan Disney Fanatic. Don't get sidetracked. And then save. Maybe I had to do this first before it asked me to change the ad set. I don't know. Because they usually ask you right there, which is kind of odd. Edit, edit existing ad set. Boy, I can't even keep up with them anymore. Come on, man. Any change made here will affect the ads in your ad set. Cool, but I didn't want to change the ad set. I wanted a new ad set. It's supposed to say it right here. Yeah. It's saying not to change too many things if you're testing, basically. Can you close my doors? Alright, so let's just go back because it's just being retarded. I don't know why it's doing that. So normally you just do continue, create a new ad, continue, do a new ad set. Right, so where is it at? Let's see, lead custom thread, San Fran. And it named it post. So we'll just rename this, we'll just say, no, that's not it. Here it is, right here. Disney, watch. Make you watch. Alright, so go back in here. Create an ad set. Or you know what? Let's do this. Right here at the top right, can you see this? Yeah, here it goes. Slow. Probably. And it says use existing ad set or, because it creates similar or place order. You're creating similar ad. Edit. No. So it's supposed to let you create a similar ad set. Create a similar campaign. No. Let's just do it from here. I don't know. It's easier the other way where it's just, hey, add a new ad set. Let's do it this way. See how it says use existing ad set? Normally it'll say create a new ad set right there. Alright, so it makes it easier because you don't have to keep changing this every time. 25 through 45. And we just do this 5 times. So we'll do Disney Fanatic. Alright. 260,000. We're gonna do $5 a day. And it doesn't matter, just run your ad continuously. Like sometimes I'll do like for 7 days or whatever, but I'll watch them close. So automatic post engagement is good, and we're gonna name it women mobile Disney Fanatic Mickey Watch. My Pixel mobile. Place order. Create similar ad. See how it says it now? Change ad set. So you want to change it. Create a new. You don't have to do anything, but it says create a new ad set. So you say save. There we go. So we just do. Now I don't know why it didn't keep my information the same, but it should have. Interest is gone and everything. That is dumb. Why do they do that? Because so usually it keeps everything the same. It's like creating a new ad and it's exactly the same. You just go in there and just change what you want to change. Right. Dumb. Facebook's dumb. Y'all heard me? Disney D23. Okay, so in this one, you see how it's broad? That's not good. I'm not going to use that audience. Plus, it's 1 million people. It's too many people. So scratch that. We're not going to use it. We'll go to the next one. Disney Parks blog. That's a good one. Well, I mean, I hope it is. Disney Parks blog. So this is number 25 through 45. Women mobile, and Mickey Watch. remove mobile, and this. Cool. Place order. Create similar. Change ad set. Save. And it wipes everything out. So I can do in here, like as I'm going, it says custom audience. I have to, like, I want to exclude my targeting audience. I could just choose, what did we call it? Mickey Watch. I can just exclude these people, which I should have done on the other ones, but I can always go back in there and fix it. Or it helps keep down the frequency of your ad if it becomes a good one, but that's like long-term stuff. And then the next one, so we did Disney Fanatic, D23 didn't work. Main Street Mouse worked. Disney Fanatic we did. Disney Parks blog we did. Okay, so we did 3. Let's try Inside the Magic. And it doesn't come up. Some of them don't come up for some reason. Alright, let's do Walt Disney. For grown-ups. 140,000. That's good. So that's what, 4? And I already know which other one I'm going to use because I saw a good one in there. 25 through 45 women, mobile, and Disney for grown-ups. So I know that's usually a demo for that the people that have been buying. Like if I wanted, I don't like choosing anybody underneath the age of 24 because they don't have any money. Um, and which is bad for me to do. But like if you want to get likes, shares, and comments, like choose from 18 to 25 because they're gonna comment the crap out of stuff. But I want people that buy. I don't really care about that if I have to pay more, right? I want to choose the people that are going to buy. So I know that those people from 25 to 45 buy and then are engaged in that particular audience. And I'll show you that in a minute because it tells me on Audience Insights. So as a matter of fact, I can show you right here on this one. Let's just go to Ads Manager. And what was the one for grown-ups? Let's go back to Audience Insights. And Disney World grown-ups. Let's see. So Disney World for grown-ups. So I could go to 55. The demos, yeah. I mean, you know what? I could. You can see the main bulk of it though is where this is 50% of your audience, which I should test the other 20% because I don't know because Facebook's going to tell me in the reporting of who's doing it anyway. Who's clicking and everything. So on this one, it's not that far off. They're pretty split, so we'll go to 55, which it gives us a little more anyway. And then down here, we'll just choose, we'll just tell ourselves that it's 55. And I'll just say Mickey watch. But we can type in, what was another one? Disney Fanatic. Just do one at a time, right? Disney Fanatic. But you see here, look at the audience. You see, so, I mean, and that was just me guessing, but I shouldn't guess. But anyway, what was the other one? It was like Disney Park or something. Park blog. Is it Parks blog? Yeah, okay, so let's choose this one. So again, it's kind of the same. So, whatever. We'll test that other one. That other one was the highest one at 20% on the other end, so it's fine. Yeah, for grown-ups, right. 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 Okay, so you can put a tag on here if you want, but we're not because I think it may mess up the because it's going off of that URL, and that URL cannot have tags behind it because it'll mess it up because it's a redirect, and if you put a tag behind a redirect, it doesn't work. So if you're using a redirect, don't use tags. Well, and it may work. I just don't ever do it because that was just, I know that if you put a tag behind it, it won't. So anyway, so remove these two again. Run it to mobile. Got our pixel. We named it. It's on impressions, post engagement. When you get charged for impressions. And then the guy told me, the Facebook guy said basically, you have a big audience, especially like 500,000 and up, which is ours is not that big, but anytime you have an audience, always do OCPM, which is post engagement. And then for retargeting, it gets a little bit more complicated. So our audience is always going to be small, and we're going to do for impressions on retargeting. So anyway, so we'll set these up. I'll do that one, and I think that was that it? We did Inside the Magic wasn't on there. We did these grown-up ones, and we did Main Street Mouse. Yeah, create some. Yeah, so it was Disney fans, and let's just go to Insights and just type it in just to see Disney fans. almost all women, as you see. We knew that already. Page likes. Disney Channel fans. Disney fans. And take that one out. Demo. 82% women. We knew that. Look at the demo though. Sucks. You see? And then also it told us that before when we looked at affinity for other page likes. Disney fans. See, this is a broad audience. I love Disney. I mean, it's the demo sucks. We could choose this, but it's mostly Disney fans. It's just a bunch of little kids from 18 to 24 that like Disney. You see, it sucks. Even though, and then the audience is 150,000. So 150,000. If we, I think so. I mean, I don't really know, but I can tell you the half of the audience is here, which means you can only go through 70,000 people. It's not bad, but it's like one I would test out last. Huh?
From Allie.
No way. Cool. Alright, so let's just I don't think I saw another one. What was one of the grown up ones? Disney. So this is how you can like dig a little deeper. Disney World for grown up. So we know that audience is a good one. What we think, and especially if you start like the demo's good, right? The page likes. Now we can dig a little deeper. Disney food blog. Like, can you create a shirt from Disney in a food shirt or something? You know, I mean, I don't know. Right? The DIS. It tells you how many people are on it. Inside the Magic didn't come up. Disney Dining, Disney Fanatic, Disney Tourist Blog, Disney Question. So all this affinity, WDW Magazine, that's probably a good one. The magazine one. Let's just type it in. Oh, it's low. It's got 15,000 people. It sucks. Terrible. Let's just do audience again and then affinity. Anyway, we got enough. So you can dig a little deeper like that, like typing in that maybe it's a good audience that's working, and then find another affinity that's high that's it may not be when you go typing in, because it's not always absolutely 100% correct. So Dad's got a WDW. So let's just type it in here and see what happens. It's not even coming up. What was it called? Disney what? Dad's Guide, sorry. Dad's Guide. Here it is right here. See how it's not capitalized here? But it is an audience because it's not correct. Yeah, it's kind of weird. So they got 61,000 people. And there's 31,000 people in there that are women. It's actually not bad. Let's just break it down to the demo that we know works. 20,000 women. It's not bad. Really. Small audience. You probably bust it in about a week. A couple of days, actually. Anyway, so we got those running. Let's just set up. So that's it. That's all you do. You're done. Except for the retargeting audience. And then the upsell. I don't know. We can check it. Let's check. Let's see. Let's check in here. Yeah. Disney Cruise. Let's see. Take this out. Disney Cruise, 168,000. Like, this one is good, but there's nothing else that's going along with it, which tells me it's not a good one. I mean, you don't really know, though, until you tell it might be a good one. Disney Cruise, Carter's. See, it's kind of like all over the place. Mickey Tips. That's a good one. Mickey Tips. It's 323,000 people. I'll also look at like when did they post last? If you don't know what look. Yeah, so that's an active page. All those people are on there. MickeyKitTips.com. So let's go back and let's try to add one more maybe. Let's see. Let's do create an ad set. Make custom. If we sell a watch by the end of me setting up the retargeting ad, then it's a good one. You know what I'm saying? All right, so yeah, let's try to do one more. What was it? Mickey Tips. It's not even coming up. I don't see it coming up. Yeah. Sucks sometimes. You want to target them so bad. Make it. I have no idea. Mickey Mouse Club demo. 25 through 34 and up to 44. Mickey Mouse Club 90,000. Anyway, who cares? Let's go set up this retargeting ad. Let's get going. We got 5, I think. Let me check. You might be right. You might have 4. Oh. Mickey Watch. Okay, yeah, you're right. We got 4. All right, they're already approved. They approve my stuff instantly almost. And then they come back and then slap me sometimes. All right, so that's going. So we got to go back to the main campaigns, to the ads manager, and then you just create a new campaign because it's a retargeting link. And anytime you have a different delivery method, which being a boosted post or increased conversions to your website, which we're going to do right now. We're going to do increased conversions to your website, which is a retargeting ad. Or you can send people to your website if you want to. What's the difference? It's I don't really know, to be honest with you. One's this is the one I used to do all the time. Send people to your website. But they told me during the season of people buying, which is now, you want to send them straight there to their website, doing the add to cart conversion pixel. So let's get the link. So increase conversions to your website. Pop in the retargeting code. Even though if they hit that, they're probably in this one already. But I'm gonna use it anyway. Add to cart. So we're doing performance on adds to cart. We're optimizing for rather. Let's say retarget, add to cart, Mickey Watch. And then we'll choose our audience already set up, Mickey Watch. All right. And then we don't have to touch any of this stuff except for the delivery method in the budget. The day we're going to always do $5 on the retargeting, unless you have a bigger audience, which takes forever to get there. We'll just do starting continuously. And then here it is right here. We're going to do automatic, and we're going to do, I believe it is, what do I do here? Retarget impressions and then automatic. Because it says, we'll deliver your ads to as many people as many times as possible. There's nobody on there yet. So it's not going to run until there's at least 20 people on there. And Facebook, set the bid. It helps you get the most impressions at the best price. I don't know the manual bid process for this. And he told me, unless you know your exact number, don't put it in there. Just do automatic. So just do this. Retarget. Mickey Watch. And then we're going to do multiple ads. Pictures. And the fan page is going to be ours. And then here, so we'll just do the carousel ad again. Select image. Where did those Mickey watches go? Here we go. Oh, look, they're already up in here. Sweet. Go number 2. Select image. Oh, but I don't want that one. I want the border one. So I do need to change it. Doesn't that border look so much better? I think so too. Yeah. So go to 3. I think you can do 3. So 3. Pink. Select image. Don't think we did a white one yet. Oh, brown and then the white. And then this is just, you know, an easy one. Did you forget to buy? All right, so that's the main headline. Oh, did you get yours free yet? Did you get yours? What were you gonna say? Get your free one yet? All right, so cool. All right, so then you just start from the beginning and you just say, you know, the headline of that watch. Just say, red one. Next. It doesn't matter, like, for him. Grab a pink one. Brown. Mickey's favorite. Don't delay. Almost going. All right. Let's put don't delay. And then I'll just do call to action button. I'll just do shop now. And then we'll just do get rid of desktop right hand column and audience network, and we'll keep desktop and mobile feed for retargeting. Place order. And done. So here's a thing that you can do. I'll show you real quick. I've had a little luck with it recently. Is whenever the audience that you created for your retargeting audience gets over 100 people. So you see like Alabama Audience Cup. So I'm actually going to do it right now because I haven't done it yet. Alabama Audience Cup. Let's just do, I just selected that. Go here, create lookalike audience. And we're going to do, the lowest you can go is 1. It's going to make, we're going to choose a country. We're going to do United States, obviously. It's going to make it 1.9 million people. So for the Mickey Watch, whenever it gets over 100, I can do that. I can create that lookalike audience. And so this is what you do. You go back in there, and I'm going to do it right now. We're going to create a lookalike audience. Right, let me find that Bama one. Bama. Oh, that's how you search for your ads, since I got a million of them. So the Bama, that's why I always label them like what they are. It's very important. So you'll see that this is a retargeting ad for that Bama Cup. I think it is. So I like to put them in the same audience. So just do, let me look at this ad real quick. Desktop and mobile. Who's my audience? No, that's not a retargeting ad. That was just straight up website conversions, running traffic straight to the site from this audience, Bama Fanatics. If it was a custom audience, it would be in here. So it's not a retargeting ad, but it didn't work. It could have, but it didn't. I spent $10 and I never had a conversion. As you see there, like this did work. 136, 567 out. So the retargeting is here. Spent $319. I never converted into that. Let's turn that retargeting back on. Let me look at it real quick. Website conversion. Who's the audience? See, that is. See Alabama's Audience Cup? That should be on at $5 a day. And I did, you see how I did 15 cents manual? So he's telling me to do automatic and then do impressions. And then also, let's do save and close. And then also run that conversion, excuse me, the tracking pixel, which see it doesn't let me to my old one, which is fine, it doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a new campaign and do website conversion for that lookalike audience for Bama and just see what happens for $5. So you saw me just create it, right? The audience, lookalike audience. Okay, so usually it takes like 30 minutes, but I'll go ahead and set it up because it's not going to fire until it lets me anyway. So I got it set up, but it's not ready yet. So I'll just go set it up. Create campaign. So are you like feeling a little bit better about doing ads and stuff, or is it clear as mud, or are you confused? Yeah, yeah, it goes kind of fast. Yeah, yeah. So we're just gonna grab, go back and grab the. We're gonna grab the retargeting code, the retargeting link for Bama Cup. So that way, if they click on this, we'll retarget, because the audience is going to be 1.9 million people, right? Because it's going to be that big. We're gonna basically look for add to cart. We're going to do optimization for add to cart for this. So it makes sense to you for the lookalike audience, because we're gonna optimize for that. We want Facebook to find those pixels. Does that make sense?
Those are the people that add items to carts.
That, yes. Right. So once I got, 100 people that added to cart for this pixel, no matter what campaign it's on, Facebook realizes that and it's going to look for those people. So I've already got over 100 people done that did that. So I'm going to name this WC Bama Cup Lookalike. And how do I find it? I'm going to say Bama Lookalike. See? And of course it's not ready yet. See, because it says it's not ready. It's 1,000 people. Once it'll be ready, it'll be like 1.9 million. But I can still go for those women and in the audience bracket or demo that I want, which is 25 through 45. And I know that's who bought before. It was actually 25 through 34, but we'll just go with this. And then the interest is done already. It's up here. It's a lookalike, and we'll just do like $5 a day. And then now, automatic conversions recommended. For this one, we're going to do OCPM, which is conversions. Anything over 500,000 people, which is 1.9 million, so do conversions. And automatic. So 25 through 45. Website conversions, Bama Cup Lookalike. Oh look, I got some pictures in here already. Let's do like 3 pictures. I mean, yeah. Let's throw some earrings in there. Shit. Cool. So say know someone that love this for. Oh, don't ever say Xmas. XMAS on Facebook. As people get pissed. That's why. I would have bought the cup if it didn't say Xmas. Excuse me. Just say for her. For him. Shop now. Alright, so you got desktop and mobile. I'll run it on both for right now. Well, it's not retargeting, it's just a lookalike. Yeah, because I don't really know what it is. I can tell you that I normally would just do mobile, but because of the season right now, I'm going to do both. Okay, for the lookalike audience. Because I can tell you, I haven't had a lot of luck with these. But Facebook say they work, so I mean, you know. And I try to do multiple images now, if we can, in one set, because they just convert better. Shop now button, desktop, mobile. We named it. It's on conversions. It's on automatic because we have a big audience, $5 a day. Probably won't get me a lot of people viewing it at $5 a day. I might have to bump it to 10 because it's such a big audience. But if it starts converting, the add to cart, you know, because it'll tell me the conversions of the cost of add to cart. So it'd be like, you know, 50 cents for someone to add to cart. Well, that's great, but did they buy? You know what I'm saying? So it might take me 10 of those. So 10 times 50 cents is $5. Well, that's still good. I mean, you're still making a couple bucks. You know what I'm saying? So we make $13 on a skinny. 5, so we still profit by 8. So that's still good. Place order. Okay, so you're done. So let's just recap. Did the lookalike, you know, we set up the PPE ad. Top of the funnel. Set up the PPE ad. And then we set up the retargeting ad, right? And then we set up the lookalike. Well, we didn't, but I just showed you on another one. So there's 3. So it's really kind of the funnel. And then, so we're running them to the free watch. And then we're going to do the upsell, which takes absolutely like 2 seconds, right? Oh yeah, okay. Thanks for reminding me. Right, so let's do that real quick. So giveaway Mickey Watch, and I always do this offer expires in, or we can do this offer may expire when click hit 0. You know I do that because there's a clock right above it. Fall for it. It's ridiculous. It converts like crazy because of that stupid clock. So let's say free watch. For the first 25 people to claim this doorbuster. I don't know. I saw it on commercial today, so. So all we ask for you to do is pay the nominal shipping fee of $4.99. I paid $3. Yep. I'm giving them away. I really am giving them away. Because I want to upsell, and not to mention I want to know the audience. And then I'm upselling them to, so the product is giveaway Mickey Watch. Okay, so we saved that. Let's view it real quick. $49.95 normally. Black, this offer may expire when the clock hits 0. The clock is never going to hit 0, guys. Like what? Oh, yeah. Free watch for the first 25 people to claim this doorbuster. All we ask for you to pay is a nominal fee of $4.99. I should say shipping. Sorry. Pay the shipping. Oh, I did say the shipping and I like saying processing, but yeah, because it sounds like more of like it's a verb, you know, so action verb. All right, so let's go to the upsell. Right, so that's good. Happy with it. Looks good.
Why can't you put a name in the upsell?
Because the feature of the upsell doesn't do that. It's just for you to add a product because it adds a product right in the upsell. It doesn't take you to the sale page. The only thing that does take you to the sale page is the other things that you might enjoy. Yeah. All right, so this is the upsell. Also, since that Mickey watch is just shipping, it means they can add as many as they want, right? Right? So this is how you fix it. So I got two apps in here. I got an upsell app and a Min Maxify. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the Min Maxify and we're going to find all those Mickey. So scroll down here and find those Mickey watches. And I just added one. It says add a free Mickey watch. See, 1 of 1. Min Max. That means they can only get one. So we're going to add those products. And one was, let's see, Mickey. Let's see. Okay, it has to be exact. Let's see, giveaway. I forgot how they were. Crap. Give away. All right, watch this. Products. Mickey. All right, so this watch. It's under ladies' watches. Okay, so it's under ladies' watches. So the min max will just say product type. Ladies' watches. There it is. All right, giveaway and Mickey watch. So add. Mickey Mouse giveaway. So we'll go close, and then we'll do 1, 1, 1, 1. Apply changes. So that means they can only buy one at a time. They can't rate me for the watches. All right. Okay. So Min Maxify is done. So now we're going to go to the upsell. Go to the upsell app. Go to offers. And you just say add new offer. And then you just type it in. Wait a minute. I think I did one earlier. Let's go to last. Green Bay. Mickey watch to Mickey gear. Which one did I do? Mickey pants, a free watch. Mickey watch. Oh, I already did it, Jess. So all you do is add offer. Type in the name. This is for you. Said you qualify for other Mickey gear. This offer may expire without notice. But you know what though? It's not the right watch. It needs to be. Yeah, exactly. Giveaway. It needs to be that one. So that watch is going to these. So you just go back down here as you type in all your stuff. Allow to choose quantity of products. You're going to say no because they're only going to be allowed to choose one. Uncheck that. You type in giveaway or whatever the heading is. Got the watch. Got other products. They can add another one for $10. You can sell more watches. So these 4 things, these 4 items. Actually, I'm going to take this watch out of here. Don't they have another Mickey thing? Mickey. And we'll say this one. That's cool. And hit save. Cool. All right, so we'll just go through. We'll go through the whole deal, like we're a customer, like from the ad. Basically, let's see, elite. Sweet. So here it is. Oh, that's a cool watch. I want this one. I'm out to Mickey watch. Oh, cool. Oh, it's our Max Smiley rewatch. Oh, cool. I want one. Got the upsell. Right?
Right, so make sure you use the code.
Watch. Added to cart. Added. It just added. It never asked for a name. So now I'll say check out. You see that? It didn't let you add the name, did it? See that? Sucks. I don't want a personalized cup, but how they're going to know my name? They're going to think, oh, it comes up here. So no big deal. I mean, if we sell 10 of them, you know what I mean? We just gotta email them whenever the order comes in, like once a day. Just go through them and stuff. I mean, it kind of sucks, but
There's no way that that's what they add. There's no way they'll do that for products, correct?
that's correct. They can't add any notes to this field or anything. I don't think so. Watch if you go to your cart.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, look. They might do that. They might go back to the cart and add a note. Right. Exactly. So that's it. So it worked. Let me see if it's going to let you like choose 5 watches. Yeah, those clickable links worked. Order not valid. You see that? So it worked. It's awesome, huh? Cool. All right, well, I think that's, I'm going to go ahead and stop this.